Hey guys, I'm doing this last because I forgot to do it first. So I'm going to introduce myself in the next slide, which I already did like a long time ago. So I'm back to here, and I just want to introduce what we're doing, order of operations, and there's a certain order of things that we have to do, like the expressions in math. So like we have a bunch of numbers and symbols, and this is called an expression, minus 3 minus 8 plus 11. You get my drift? These are a bunch of operations. And there's so many of them, and there's a certain order we have to do them in, otherwise we're going to get the answer wrong. So like the G.E.M.S that we're learning, G.E.M.S, if you just remember that word, I promise you, it will save you a lot of heartache. You will know which order to do all this in, and I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you what the G stands for, the E, the M, and the S. So get your pencil and paper, pay attention, be sure there's quietness around you, and you will be great. Okay? Cool. See you on the next slide. Hi, my name's Debbie Punk. Miss Antone is watching some kind of debate that I could care less about, because all I care about is math. So, today we're going to learn about order of operation, what all this means, and what order to do it in. We use the word G.E.M.S. How do we spell G.E.M.S? G-E-M-S. G stands for grouping first, then exponents, then multiply, divide, subtract, and add. So we start with this one first. Group. Where's the group in this expression? That's your group. Now answer the question. So I hope you picked the right answer. It was 2 times 3. So now we have to substitute that. We have to actually do 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? Okay. I'm going to try to be nicer, because Miss Antone said I was not being nice. Okay. So we had 2 times 3 equals 6, and we put the 6 here. I hope you did that in your last question. Now, that was our grouping. That was the G for G.E.M.S. We got that one done. Let's go to exponents. You should know what exponents are, because I think you saw a tutorial on it, like just a little bit ago, hopefully. Or you already know how to do exponents, right? So where's our exponent in this group? In this expression? We have a 2 plus 6 squared divided by 3 minus 2. Where is the exponent? It's 2 numbers together. Where's the exponent? Answer the next question, please. I'm being nice. Okay, if Miss Antone thinks she can do this better and nicer than me, then she should just get her, you know what, out here and stop watching that debate. You know, because it's like I almost care about you more than her right now, because I'm doing it. But anyway, so we're on exponent. That last answer was 6 squared. That's your exponent. That's what your answer was. And now we have to actually do 6 squared. And if you don't know how to do 6 squared, I suggest you look at the tutorial that is called Exponents, and it will teach you all about how to do it. But for now, basically, you're going to do 6 times 6. And then that'll get you your next answer. Hey, so yeah, I'm just acting like Miss Antone because she's not here. Not. So anyway, we have the 36 that went in place of the 6 squared. So our new expression, look, 2 plus 36 divided by 3 minus 2. I know it looks really stressful, but you just go by step, by step, by step, and you'll get the answer. So we did the grouping first. Now we did the exponents. We can check that one off. Now it says M for multiply and or divide. You have to look at it. Is this a multiplication sign? No. Is this, or a division? Is this multiplication or division? Yes. Is this? No. So this is our division or multiplication. Over here. You're going to do that. You look at this number before it, and you look at this number after it, and basically I'm giving you your answer for the next question here. All right? Get it? Yeah? You're going to be so smart. You can just show off in front of everybody, your family, cousins, uncles. They'll be like, you're so smart. And all you have to do is listen to videos and, you know, take some notes. That's all you have to do. And, you know, like think and focus. Go in a quiet room, you know, because I do care about you, dude. Care about you a lot. So anyway, you should have done 36 divided by 3. And then you should have put in a 12 in there. Okay, because 36 divided by 3 is 12. So now our new expression is 2 plus 12 minus 2. Okay? And we have 2 signs left. We have a plus and a minus sign. So our last thing we do is subtract and add. But if we have, you know, more than one expression, like one or more of these symbols, we have to start at the left, you guys. This is the L for left, and we're going to go this way. So you're going to start at this 2 on the left, and you're going to, boom, go to the right. Because if you start at the right, you're going to get the wrong answer. If you start in the middle, you're going to get the wrong answer. You have to start at the left. Okay? Is that good? Hey guys, I hope you got that right. Let's check it out. We had 8 times parentheses 1 plus 4 parentheses minus 5. We have our GEMS hopefully written down on your paper, G.E.M.S, and that stands for group, exponent, multiply, divide, and subtract or add. That just reminds us what order we go in, right? Because it's hard to remember. And if you ask most of the adults, they don't remember this, but they're not getting tested on it like next week. So you have to remember, grouping is first. Where's our group? Right here. And we do 1 plus 4 is 5, so we get 8 times 5 minus 5. That's our new expression. You should write this down if you haven't already. Now we have 8 times 5 minus 5. So we did our group. We can check that off. Are there any exponents? That's that little number on top of the base number. No, so we can check that off. Is there any multiply or divide signs? That's a multiply sign. This is a minus sign. So yes, there's a multiply sign. So you look at the number before and after, and you do that. So 8 times 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, Now I know my multiplication. 40 minus 5. So we did our multiply and divide, and now we just have to subtract or add, but that's all we have left is one subtraction. So we do 40 minus 5 equals 35. So your answer from the last question was 35. You do not have to do this one, but I really, really recommend it because it has some more issues in it that might make you like learn more. So, you know, if you're stressed out and it's too much already, just go and press the submit button. But I really suggest you just watch this. All right? So, the question was 4 squared times 3 parentheses minus parentheses 3 cubed minus 7 divided by 2. First of all, we need to stop using this as divide because we're in 6th grade. We can do that for divide, right? And this too, this multiplication sign, out of here. We can do this like circle thing. You know, it changes. You get older, it changes, right? So we're going to do the group first because that's the first letter in G.E.M.S. G.E.M.S. And we have 2 groups this time. So you're going to do this one and this one. Doesn't matter which one you do first. So, but inside this group, we have to do the exponent first because we have 2 choices, exponent or multiply. Well, we can't multiply until we get rid of this exponent first. Just remember that. It comes first anyway. So anyway, just do 4 squared is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. So basically that whole group equals 48. Hey, if I went too fast, just rewind it. That's all you gotta do, you know? I'm nice. And then you're gonna subtract, and now we have to do this group. We can't just do 3 minus 7, can we? Because there's an exponent there, and that's like, you gotta multiply first. So 3 times 3 times 3 on that exponent. 3 times 3 times 3. So we got 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so 27 minus 7 is really easy. It's 20. And then we still have divided by 2. We're not done yet. But we got done with our grouping. And inside the group was the exponents and stuff. And then the exponent, now there's no exponent, so we got done with that. Multiply and divide, let's see. I see a subtraction and I see a divide sign, right? That's our new divide sign. So let's see. What are we supposed to do first? We have to divide, you guys. Yeah, cool, right on. You're awesome. I love you. So we're going to divide first. So some people would do the subtraction first. I bet your parents would do that. Parents, they forget everything. But now you know that you don't subtract first. You actually divide first. So we're going to do this. And 20 divided by 2, that means you cut it into 2 equal pieces, is 10. And then we got the minus, we're going to write it backwards. 48 minus 10 is, dun, da, 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 38 is your answer.